Now, moving on to our next story, Bangladesh has reimposed a 2-week lockdown. Cases are expected to rise further after the Eid holidays as the South Asian nation struggles to contain the latest wave. Dhaka turned to Delhi for help. India has now sent an oxygen express train to Bangladesh to help its hospitals save as many lives as possible. Here's a full report.
For the first time in history, under Prime Minister Modi's flagship Neighbourhood First policy, India's Oxygen Express crossed an international border to deliver liquid oxygen to Bangladesh. Indian External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar posted the update on Twitter, highlighting its significance. The Oxygen Express will help Bangladesh survive the latest wave of the pandemic. It also signifies the deep bilateral ties and bonds of friendship between the South Asian neighbours. The train carried 10 containers of oxygen from Tata Nagar in Jharkhand, India to Benapole in Bangladesh. The operation to deliver 200 metric tons of oxygen was carried out by India's Southeastern Railway. Bangladesh has become the first neighbouring country to receive aid through India's Oxygen Express. Started on the 24th of April 2021 in the midst of a deadly second wave, 480 oxygen expresses were instrumental in helping hospitals across India meet demand, delivering more than 35,000 metric tons of oxygen to 15 states. The pandemic has tested governments across the world and pushed people to the limit. However, the calamity seems to have brought Dhaka and Delhi closer.
Healthcare officials believe the supply will further enrich Bangladesh's liquid oxygen reserves. From the very beginning, the two neighboring countries have been trying to cooperate with each other in various ways to deal with COVID-19. Apart from the medical sector, the two countries have been working sincerely to maintain the supply chain in other emergency products and trades.
Earlier, India gifted 1.2 million doses of coronavirus vaccines to Bangladesh during Prime Minister Modi's visit to Dhaka, a visit which marked the 50th anniversary of India's victory over Pakistan in 1971 and the creation of the nation of Bangladesh. So far, India has gifted over 3 million vaccines to its neighbour, while Dhaka has also signed a deal with the Serum Institute of India to procure 30 million AstraZeneca doses. The presence of the highly contagious Delta variant has raised alarm in Bangladesh, where over 19,000 people have lost their lives due to COVID-19. As hospitals and medical supplies remain stretched, the Oxygen Express from India will be a lifesaver. With Lakmina Jasmine Soma in Dhaka, WION World is One.
WION, now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.